guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Erica, today, and for today's video I'm giving you 7 cute, quick, and easy braid out hairstyles. And if you haven't seen our previous video where I show you how I do my braid out and my whole co-wash routine where I'm using 5 conditioners, just check the link in the description. Alright, so for the first hairstyle, I'm doing fun buns, and these are like space buns, and I say fun because I'm adding added touches that make it fun. So you're just gonna part your hair down the middle, put your hair in 2 ponytails, super easy, and then you're just gonna take one of the ponytails, wrap it around itself, and then grab another hair tie, like so, and just kind of, you know, position your bun how you want it. And you can do the same thing to the other side. Again, just twist and another scrunchie, position it, pin it, and yeah. Alright, so here is where the fun touches come in. So you can just pull out some pieces, some little curly pieces, so that'll just hang and look cute. And you can add these gold clamps. Y'all have seen these in previous videos. I absolutely love them. And they just, I don't know, they just look cute on the bun. They add a perfect touch to the bun. And that's the fun buns. Super cute and super easy. This next style is what I like to call Mickey ears, which is kind of a variation of the fun buns or the space buns. And you're just going to take a section of hair at the top, leave some hair hanging down, and it's basically the same thing as the space buns. Put your hair in 2 ponytails, wrap it around each other to make the buns, just like you do the space buns. And yeah, this style is super easy and super cute for the summer, and I love it. I love wearing my hair like this, especially when it's curly. Alright, so this is what I like to call the playful side bun. This is for women on the go, or if you wake up late, or if you're just super lazy. Yeah, you're just going to gather your hair to the side, pull out some pieces from the front first, and just kind of gather your hair into a side ponytail. And then you're just going to wrap the ponytail around itself, and then use a scrunchie for that 90s look. Pull out some pieces from the bun, and yeah, super easy and super cute. Alright, so this next style is called Party on the Side. I love this style because it's so effortless and it looks like you took time on it, even though it only took you about 3 seconds. So you're just going to deep part your hair, and then you're going to take the gold clamps again for that fun touch. And like I'm doing, I'm just randomly placing them on my hair, but you can use however many you want, however you see fit. And then I'm just using a clip to pin the hair back even more. And this next style is very 90s inspired, the 90s clip style. This style is coming back. It's where you pin the clips at the front of your hair, like 2 clips at the front, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with this style. Just pin those clips there, and it just looks really, really cute with the braid out. And I remember wearing my hair like this back in like elementary school, middle school, and yeah, I think it looks really great with the braid out. And another easy one coming at you, the cute half-up ponytail. Just going to take the scrunchie again for a 90s inspired look. I got this velvet scrunchie from CVS. I think they have them in different colors, so go check that out. But yeah, just half up, half down, super high. You know, kind of pull it apart to make it a little bit messy. And there you have it. Very easy. So for this easy style, I'm decorating my braid out with a scarf for the cute headscarf style. And this really doesn't need a voiceover. Y'all already know how to do a scarf. I don't know, there are different ways to tie a scarf. So however you see fit, I just think it looks really good with the braid out. Alright friends, that is it for my braid out styles. Please let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I really, really want to know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys, and we will see you next week. Bye!